Hello there, my friends, and welcome to day number 8 of this 30-day content marketing strategy, where I take you by the hand and walk you through step by step by sharing with you the 30 days worth of ideas that you could use to create content to help you generate leads for your business. So feel free to make this content your own. And today, what I want you to do is I want you to look at your opportunity and find proof. If you don't have proof that the opportunity works, then I'm sure you have a community of people who are actually getting success. So today you're going to share a success story from your community. Now, feel free to make this video your own. However, if you'd like to learn from, to get the information that I'm sharing with you directly from our six-figure mentors and coaches, then stick around to the very end, because I'm going to show you proof of the powerful success story, one of the powerful success stories that we have in our community, okay? Let me actually go ahead and do that, right? So stick around so I can show you how to get access to our community. So here is what I wanted to share with you. Zile from South Africa 4 hours ago shared this. Zile is the 10th millionaire in South Africa, right? This is millionaire in South African rands. God, I did it, right? I want to congratulate Zile from the bottom of my heart. This is literally inspiring, right? So 4 hours ago, you can see all the likes she's got. You can see all the comments she's got. So she says, when I started this journey, I was just wanting $600 a month, right? This is 100, is this 100? 10,000 rands, right? I had 0 followers, 0 sales, and 0 background knowledge. I used my rent money to purchase. 3 months in the business, I quit my job. I changed zip codes. I bought a BMW cash, made 6 figures in 2 months. She then bought 300 square feet of commercial land for kids. She then went back to the company she was working for and bought shares and became the boss of my bosses. And I've signed an affiliate program with an international company for a whole year. I'm now a millionaire in 5 months. Every day I show up for my business. Whether I'm sick or not, being consistent is very crucial in this business. Nothing comes easy. I'm so grateful to God and to Michelle for this opportunity. I'm creating generational wealth for my kids, and I have multiple streams of income through this business. All I can say is don't give up. Run your own race and stay focused. It will happen. If a normal girl who used to be scared to post after posting scared to go and check the video, I can do it, right? So she's saying she used to be scared to post, and when she did post, she was scared to actually check the video, right? So if I can do it, me who knew nothing about content, social media can do it, you can too. So you can see all our community here cheering her up and celebrating her, okay? So I just wanted to give her a shout out. But I think on this page here, we have another millionaire, right? This is Bonga. This is another South African millionaire, because there's 10. We have 10 in total. So she says a million in South African rands. This was 14 hours ago, right? I'm so grateful to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. When I started my journey on the 3rd of July, 2024, I actually used some of the money from my house bond to purchase the program. Little did I know that in less than 3 months, I'd be a millionaire. For the longest time, I had labeled myself an introvert. Words are failing me. God bless you, Michelle. The Legacy Builder program has changed my life, okay? So I'm going to stay on this theme here, right? We have 10 South African rand millionaires. I think we have 1 millionaire in the USA. We have countless 6-figure earners, right? And it's my goal to become a 6-figure earner, and I know that this is the vehicle that's going to help me get there. So what I want to do is I want to invite you to click the link in the description to grab a free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide, right? This guide is going to give you an idea of the business model that we use And make sure you use your best email, because I'm going to send you the guide via email, and I'm going to give you access to our community where you can meet like-minded entrepreneurs. You can ask questions. You can check out these proofs there, and response to my email, right? Let's have a conversation. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you might have via video. I can record a video for you, because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.